What is a weed? Any plant which is unwanted or undesirable is considered as an aquatic weed. The limited growth of aquatic plants may be useful in maintenance of water quality and may serve as shelter, substrate, and food for aquatic organisms. But their uncontrolled growth may cover the surface of water of the pond, resulting large number of problems. The penetration of light will not be adequate and thus affect the productivity of fish pond. The nutrients in the water will consumed more by plants and fish will not get the sufficient amount of nutrient leads to the lower production rate of cultured species. Blooms of algae often result in the depletion of oxygen, causing anoxic condition in pond. Fishing with net will be difficult. It will be a problem for cage fisheries also, as algae will stick on the cage. We can classify the aquatic weed as floating, emergent, submerged, marginal, filamentous algae, and planktonic algae. Floating weeds. They are free floating with their leaves over the surface of water while roots are underwater. The common examples of these groups are Iconia, Azolla, Pistia, etc. The second group is emergent weed. They possess roots which are present in the soil of the water while their leaves or shoots are present over the surface of water. Example for this type of weed is Utricularia, Nymphia, Myriophyllum, Vallisneria, etc. Another group of aquatic weed is submerged weeds. They are submerged underwater. Generally, there are two groups. One is the root present in the soil of the pond. Example for such group is Hydrilla and Naja. The second group, roots are free floating. Example for such group is Ceratophyllum and Utricularia. Another group of aquatic weed is marginal weeds. They grow on the sides of the pond and are rooted in the waterlogged soil. Example for such marginal weeds are Typha and Pharmachis. Another group of aquatic weed is filamentous algae. They form mat in the marginal area or scum in the main water body. The most common filamentous algae in the pond are Spirogyra and Pithophora. Another group of aquatic weed is planktonic algae. These planktonic algae proliferate very rapidly and form algal blooms in the water. Examples for such algae are Microcystis and Anabaena. How we can control this aquatic weed? There are several methods. They are manual, mechanical, chemical, biological, and control by utilization method. Manual method is the most convenient, cheap, and easy method, but it is not long lasting. The emergent and marginal weeds are removed by pulling them with hand. They are kept under check by cutting their floating roots repeatedly. The floating weeds are removed either by hand or wire coiled nylon nets. Rooted submerged weeds removed with the help of hand pull bottom rakes, bamboo poles with toothed, pronged, etc. Second method for removing aquatic weed is mechanical method. This application of this method differ with size of culture site. The most common method is use of weed cutter. We can use this for removing submerged and emergent weeds. The weed cutters are either flat bottomed, but fitted with cutting beams or other cutting devices. This method is easier to remove algal growth such as musk grass, but it is difficult to remove the clumps completely by this mechanical method. Another common method is chemical method. Large number of chemicals are available, but use of these chemicals have some adverse effects on the growth indirectly because these chemicals badly affect aquatic organisms which are food of the fish. Some of the commonly used herbicides for the control of weed is sodium arsenate, xylene, 2,4-dichlorophenoxy, acetic acid, etc. Biological control of aquatic weed is easy and popular. We can achieve this by using fishes with they are phytophagous or herbivorous. The most common fishes used for this are grass carp, Stenophyricodona idella, Carassius auratus, Tilapia mozambica. They consume aquatic weed as their food. These fishes have strong pharyngeal teeth and they can macerate these plant materials. The next method is through utilization. We can control the growth of aquatic weed through utilization. We can use these aquatic weeds as food, source of energy, used for preparation of pulp for paper and fiber industry, used for the construction of hut, used as fertilizer, composter, etc. Thank you.